Hey there, creators! Today, I'm going to show you how to upscale your videos to stunning 4K resolution using Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, this quick and easy guide will have your footage looking sharper and more professional in no time. Open Davinci Resolve and head over to the media pool. Right-click on your timeline and select Timelines, then Timeline Settings. Uncheck the option for Use Project Settings and expand the resolution dropdown. Choose 3840 Ultra HD and click OK. Next, right-click on your video clip and select Clip Attributes. Expand the SuperScale option and select 4 times for maximum upscaling. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've transformed your video into a crisp 4K masterpiece. Feel free to experiment with the SuperScale options to find the best quality for your footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your editing game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.